Audrey here. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 easy carrying Hoyas in my collection. The first one is Heuschkeliana, also known as Heuschkeliana Variegate. This plant has light green variegations against the dark green leaves, and that makes it such a beautiful plant. When you put this plant under highlight, the leaf will turn pinkish red as sun stressed, make it even more beautiful. It's native to Philippines. It strives between 60 to 85 Fahrenheit and grows really fast in the growing season. When temperature below 55, the plant will stop growing. Avoid 50 or below as plants will be damaged. It loves humidity of 65% or above. As far as watering, it is the same with most Hoya. Water more during summer growing season and less during winter. Allow the soil to dry between watering. It is a light feeder, so fertilize it during growing season like once a month. Overall, it's such an easy Hoya. It's a fast grower and a vigorous climber, and a good candidate for hanging basket. The second one on my list is Hoya Bella. Here are all my Hoya cuttings I potted not long ago. They already started to grow and look really good. Hoya Bella is a native plant to Asian, Pacific Islands, and Australia. Leaves are tiny with a texture like succulent. It requires a well-lit spot with well-drained soil. You can add sand, charcoal, ochre bark, or perlite to help create better drainage. The plants require more water during summer growing season and less water and longer drying period during winter. Allow soil to dry out between watering. This plant loves a high humidity range from 40 to 60%. Overall, such an easy Hoya. Thick heart-shaped leaves with thick and strong stem makes Hoya Carry Eye a popular Hoya in the recent year. These plants need good light to grow. The succulent leaves make it quite adept for a longish period of time between watering. Always make sure the soil dries out between watering. It is not a heavy feeder, so fertilize twice a year during growing season is enough. If you are drawn to the unique heart-shaped leaves, get yourself a Carry Eye. Hoya Obovata has large and thick waxy leaves and long tendrils. It is both a good climber and a beautiful hanging plant. It is drought tolerant and requires very little care. This plant do better in bright and sunny window. Like most Hoya, Abrada prefers a well-drained soil. It requires light water and dry out between watering. Even though this Hoya lacks humidity, it is not a requirement. Overall, Obovata is relatively easy to take care of. Here are my Hoya Australia and Australis. They are the Hoya have exceptional tolerance to neglect. They have succulent leaves. With well-drained soil and a good spot with sunlight, they will thrive. They don't like wet feet, so water only necessary. They like warmer temperature and medium to high humidity. Only fertilize the plants during growing season. Both of my plants are fast grower and easy plants to take care of. So yeah, I would think Australia and Australis are easy Hoya. Here are my top 5 easy carrying Hoya in my collection. Hope you all enjoyed. You have a fabulous day. Happy growing!